Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sideload iOS apps using Feather API Installer. Step 1 is to download Feather IPA Installer. Before you can sideload apps, first you need to download the install Feather on your iPhone. Option 1 is to using computer, but this is the recommended for initial setup. Option 2 is without a computer. You can also install Feather using tools like TrollStore, Gbox, or eSign. Step 2 is to import an IPA file. Now that the Feather is installed, let's sideload an app. Open Feather IPA installer on your iPhone and then tap Import IPA and select your download IPA from the iCloud files or repository. Once selected, Feather will prepare the IPA for installation. Sign in into the application. To install the IPA, Feather needs a valid certificate. You have two options. Option 1 is to using a free Apple developer account or using a paid Apple developer account. Step 4 is to trust the installed app. After installing, you'll need to trust the app before opening it. Go to their settings, General, VPN, and Device Management. Find the new app profile and tap Trust. Now you can open the use an app without restrictions. Feather IPA Installer is a fantastic tool for sideloading apps easily while maintaining security and privacy. Whether you want to install third-party apps, modded versions, or even tweak existing apps, Feather makes it all possible. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.